In this tape, we'll show you how a plain, empty scene can be made to look like this. Realistic-looking trains running through detailed scenery can add immensely to your layout. Hard to believe, this is the same scene. We'll show you how to build roads. Add detail to rock retaining walls with Woodland Scenics products. Hide the unsightly bottom edges of buildings. Add safety lines down the center of those roads so they look like the prototype. Weather the road with pastel chalks so it looks used. Add weather-detailed signs to your buildings. And add window signs to those buildings so they look like they're occupied. Those roofs need some finishing touches too, and we'll add some tar at the roofing paper joints. Then we'll show you how to add realistic water to your scenery using Woodland Scenics Easy Water. This scene includes 2 stub-end siding tracks and a passing siding. A town will be added here, as well as some roads, a gas station, and a granary storage facility. By the way, a great number of our detailing ideas came from Kalmbach's 303 tips for detailing model railroad scenery and structures. We'll begin by building some roads and highway crossings. The road building information was covered in our scenery tape, tape number 8. But roads can be considered detail as well, so we're going to include them in this tape too. First, we superglue some thin wood strips to the inside and outside of the rails. Allow for wheel flange clearance on the inside of the rail.